Raindrops pattered on the window, making the world outside seem like a magical dream. Sammy, a little bird, woke up to find the sky weeping. "Oh, what a rainy day," he chirped, fluttering his wings in excitement. Sammy decided to go on an adventure, despite the drizzle. He hopped onto his favorite branch and took a deep breath. He spread his wings wide and leaped into the air, splashing into a rain puddle. Sammy laughed and shouted, "This is so much fun." As he flew, he saw other animals huddled under umbrellas, but Sammy didn't mind the rain. He loved the way the raindrops sparkled in the sunlight, making the world look so alive. He fluttered through the rain, feeling the droplets dance on his feathers. Suddenly, he saw a little turtle struggling in a deep puddle. Without a second thought, Sammy swooped down and lifted the turtle out of the water. The grateful turtle thanked Sammy and they became the best of friends. The rain began to slow, and the sun came out, casting a beautiful rainbow over the landscape. Sammy and his new friend played in the sun, feeling grateful for their rainy day adventure. As they played, Sammy realized that sometimes, a little rain can bring a lot of joy. That night, Sammy went to sleep with a smile on his face, dreaming of more rainy day adventures. He knew that every day was an opportunity for a new adventure, and he was ready for anything. The end.